bannange nkomyewo naye ekikulu sinze ekikulu yemmwe. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. I am still alive, happy, determined. I can always count on you, brothers and sisters, this man here, and others out there. You're great, and I'm forever indebted to you.
Ogababuli Semakadde Isaac Semakadde ye bwatyo yasoma ebitabo ononya lawyer wa generation yaffe lawyer togenda mu office ye ali.com wabakakensa doctors and professors abalowooza we are idea processors ya processing bwatyo medolo bulangata negamba nti nina okutaasa kafulu kakensa. That's why tuli wano bino sibya politics bakute kubya bakakensa bananyini bitabo abasoma ebitabo ne babimalayo mwe bannafa ba security byabasukulumye mwe mukwata bali bakiface ababbi b'enkoko n'embizi sibwe mulina okukwata doctor ba professor wa academics tusomesezza abaana mitwalo na mitwalo ba student bange ab'enkumba batulaba onasomesezza Rubata e New York e Germany tuandise ebitabo gwe wandika wa security wandise ebitabo bimeka. So respect intellectuals.
Oyise mu mikono gya teacher
todduka n'oyita owandikomye. President Museveni yakavayo n'ayogera mulekerawo okuba abantu ng'ente n'agamba n'ente tebagikuba muleega obupisto. Who are you? Ffe tulina emmundu oloza mmeka mulekerawo okuswaza government ya President Museveni mutukolere ka department kabakakensa abagezi think tank ya president generation to mwebale nnyo. I salute you.
Engeri gye
mutukwate nga vulnerable
mwe balabe ba government teri balabe balabe
era mwagala kujja Museveni mujje mu ntebe muteeke wali tutabuse.
You can't arrest people like that.
Yes.
You're making us hate the government. Unfortunately, we're not going to hate it.
You are actually promoting us to love Museveni more.
We are going to tell the truth about you.
Yes. Yes, you're going to Kasemba Yoma.
I'm thinking.
Yes, a word. Akayimba.
Processing akayimba.
Process ideas.
Media houses.
Yeah, man.
Social media personalities. Bloggers. You are our voice. If we tutali banaye
mutu jao ne Mungu. When they arrest news,
Victoria University,
yes,
it's trending.
Right now,
Erikuto. Sudhir, Rajiv, my brother. Yes, Dr. Lawrence.
Yeah, I am here with my brothers here, Conan, Dr. Aaron, myself, Dr. Hillary, thanking them for really coming here to visit me. It was a really daunting last 3-4 days, but thank God we are home. I'm home, and we are home here. Your Excellency, President Museveni, I can't thank you enough. Mama, you are someone I can't forget. Thank you so much for everything you did to give me peace, to give me freedom. Everyone in this country that I can't really mention because there are too many, the entire country, my friends, my brothers, people I know, people I don't know, fellow academicians, friends, everyone who is really a concerned citizen of this person who cares about freedom, I thank you all. Frank Agashumba, I tell people you are one beast, but the beast for good. So I wish this country had 100 of you who will move mountains. Dr. Hillary here, you are one great asset this country can ever have. Keep moving this side. Everyone that is standing with him, look at Dr. Aaron.
I think what I can give, we academicians, I think we nurture, we are philosophers. There is nothing.
Great thinkers.
We are great thinkers.
Yes.
Yeah. I think what was done,
nutritionists.
We are not, I'm a positivist. So I don't think that. I think knowledge exists.
The dawn is speaking.
So please.
We are done.
We have nothing.
Freedom to
we have, please, and we have loved the environment this government has given us, whatever.
President
So,
Museveni.
I'm sorry if Dr. Muganga, of course we're human beings, psychology says, you may not like me, but of course we need to accommodate. We have nothing. We have nothing about it.
So we, as Dr. has already said it
Very
all,
good, Conan here.
Especially
Key player, very good friend of mine.
yeah.
I should say the same man
Fighter.
who brought me in this
Victoria
very job that
University.
is causing me issues.
Yeah, exactly.
Take it on.
Yeah, thank you so much, and everybody you've already thanked His Excellency Mama, everybody, Sarah Jeev and the Family Paria
Yeah, there are two
Foundation.
people.
Everybody, I can't thank everybody and get to finish the entire list, but we thank everybody who stood by Dr. Muganga. We love you all. Let's keep developing our country. We fight for our country. This is our country. We have to make it good.
For emphasis purpose, there are two people, or even three. Dr. Sudhir Ruparelia, Rajiv Ruparelia, and Mrs. Ruparelia.
Wow.
You people are amazing. You gave me a reason to feel like working with you, working for you, being part of the Ruparelia group of companies is one thing that everyone in this country should yearn for.
Yeah. Wow.
You stand with your own, especially when your own is innocent.
Thank you.
But then there are people I call my staff at Victoria University. I love you all. Today you showed us love. You came here in big numbers to see me, to see my family. I am grateful to you. Lastly but not least, my amazing wife.
Yeah.
It's a pleasure, Eve, to call you to have you as my wife.
Yeah. Wow.
And now I will also end, like I said, last but not least, two of my two people, my security officers. You have
The
stood
lady.
up steadily.
And the man.
Barbara sacrificed herself for me, went to jail with me, in that total darkness with me. Michael stayed at home, ensured security of my family, so I can't thank you enough. IGP, you have amazing people. You have disciplined officer. When the scuffle was too much, these people remembered what you trained. They never took out their guns. While others were brandishing guns around in
Showing
plenty,
off.
showing off. These people remained professional. Uganda Police, I salute you.
Okay.
City Police, you're amazing. Thank you so much.
Yes, yes, as our communities in the struggle, we are at Dr. Lawrence Muganga's home. I'm Dr. Hilary Emma Musoke Chisanja Owamwe.
One thing I forgot. Chisanja what?
Yes.
I forgot the something actually is terrible to forget. The media houses of this country.
Yes.
You guys are doing
Social
an incredible
media.
job. The media houses, the people who work in these media houses, the social media personalities, bloggers. I wish I could reach one by one.
Rita Kagwa,
There are so
Mizaya,
Kanarin
Onesimus,
Gume,
Gume, Adam Luzindana.
You can't finish
you
that.
can't put
Katoisa.
there are so many.
Yeah,
you even leave out others. There are many.
Rukushana Namimba.
Doctor, they are countless. You haven't even seen some of the posts. There are many.
I have not seen some. Maybe I can't finish all of you. Like I'm just starting.
Yeah.
If you give me 2 hours, I'll mention every one of you. But just know that from deep down my heart, I appreciate
We are
what
humbled,
you do.
we are humbled, we are humbled.
You are actually essential workers, the true essential workers. You get to step up your game when you need it. So that's an essential worker. God bless you all.
Wow.
See you too.
Our viewers, it is his time because he had been taken to the den of lions, and now he's here smiling. I thank my boss, His Excellency the President. I thank Mama. I thank my comrade Gasumba, Conan, Cyrus, my man Cyrus, whom we've been together in the struggle. I thank all the security agencies have been coordinating. Your Excellency, as head of special duties in your office, I had to intervene. That's why I had to look for you to make sure that we say no to this impunity. I call it impunity because recently you had just come to speak about the impunity caused by security agents. We see a Don, an international orator, an international professor,
And you call him a spy.
whom I went personally, Your Excellency, when you sent me to the US. You sent me and I brought this man to change the education system. I was perplexed to see that the man is taken like a pig stealer by our own security agencies.
So, a roll of chicken.
I don't speak as a government officer now, I speak as someone with a stake to Dr. Muganga's family. And I speak on behalf of all professors and doctors. To me, I see it as persecution of intellectuals. I see it as disrespect for intellectuals. He's a senior lecturer, senior lecturer, senior lecturer, senior lecturer, senior lecturer. Your Excellency, when we brought this man, Mama accepted him and introduced him to you. Now the whole public is saying Dr. Muganga is a spy agent. Spying education is not a government staff. So let me assure you, the general public, whatever was done was
not the entire public. A clique of people are telling the public
that.
that I am a spy.
No, I mean, doctor. That is why the president says there is kawukumi in security agencies. It is not government, it's individual with personal interests, selfish gains. Your Excellency, we must investigate this further. Otherwise, a lot of kawukumi is penetrating us. Our Ugandans support Muzei, support Mama, support General Mukozi Kainerugaba, support Dr. Hilary Kisanja, support government. God and my son.